Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect this in Wi-Fi enabled in-wall dimmer switch to this 8-inch Gen 2 downlight with battery backup. The first thing you want to do is install the app. It's called Enbrighten. You can find it on the Apple or Android App Store. Once you have it installed, you'll get to this page and we'll worry about the rest later. The next thing you'll want to do is unscrew this screw on the battery. Once you have it unscrewed enough, you can just pop it out. Just don't lose the screw. It's very easy to lose. And you'll be met with a lot of wires. For clarity, we won't be using this purple, pink, and white connector here at all. That's for if you want to use a different type of dimmer. We'll be using these wires here. There's two negatives. The one that's black and white, that is your switch hot. That's what's going to connect to the switch here. And the switch has 5 inputs, one on either side and one on the end. If you look at this side, it's got 2 black screws. It's labeled line load. They're both that means they're both negatives. It doesn't matter which one you use, they're both the same. On the other side, you'll have a traveler and your neutral. We won't be using the traveler in this video because that's only used for 3-way switches, which in case you want to use one switch for 2 light fixtures, which I won't be doing in this video. And then you have your ground on the side. I'll also be using this power strip that's currently unpowered. And well, yeah, let's begin. First, I'm going to connect the dimmer switch to the power source. I'm just going to grab a wire here, put it in the slot here, and then just screw it in. Make sure it's in there. And then do the same for pretty much all the other screws in the switch. Now that you've got all your wires secured, you're going to want to connect one of the negatives, doesn't matter which one, to your mains hot. Make sure it's unpowered or you could get shocked, cause a fire or something. Then your green, which is your ground, connect it to the ground. And lastly, your neutral, connect that to the other white wire. Now that's everything. That's all the switch part connected to the mains. Now the rest is up to the switches. I mean, to the battery and the rest of them. What you'll want to do first is I made a goof up by connecting this black wire, but it already has a wire. I'm just used to all these other products we have. But yeah, just connect this switch hot to the switch. Make sure it's in there. And now everything else is relatively straightforward. Connect your other hot to the mains hot. Ideally you would have longer wire, but this is all I have to work with right now. Connect your ground to your ground. And your neutral to your neutral. Before you turn on the fixture, you're going to want, if you want the battery backup, the emergency battery turning on, you're going to want to connect the switch here. And now that should be everything wired up, ready to go. We're going to turn it on. As you can see, it turns on. Even without the app, you can still turn it off and on. Pretty straightforward. And as you can see on the side, the app already found the dimmer switch and wants to pair to it. Just make sure that this blue light is always flickering. That means it's in pairing mode. You press add. You put in the password to your Wi-Fi. Didn't know that would not be censored. Yeah, once you press add, it'll download it. Please don't connect to our Wi-Fi. And now it's successfully paired. Press done, and now you can control it. You can turn it off and on, and you can dim it.